jamendo.com.
There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind.